This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by cutting power and giving the system time to cool. Unplug the Xbox and wait at least 10 minutes to avoid working on hot components. Once done, place the console on a flat, stable surface with 4 to 6 inches of clearance around all vents so airflow can do its job. Make sure you remove any blankets, cushions, or heat sources nearby. While it cools, gather a soft brush, compressed air, and a microfiber cloth so you're ready for internal and external cleaning. You'll now remove built-up dust that blocks airflow and traps heat. Use short 1 to 2 second bursts of compressed air angled across vents so you dislodge debris without forcing it deeper. Follow with a soft brush to clear loosened particles. If you're comfortable opening the case, ground yourself first and carefully clean the fan and heat sink. Do not spin fans with compressed air. Once cleaned, reassemble securely. Make sure thermal paste is inspected only if you have experience. Poor application can worsen cooling. Finish by optimizing how you use the console so it runs cooler during long sessions. You should enable energy-saving power modes, close background apps, and avoid intensive tasks while charging controllers. Elevate the Xbox on rubber feet or a ventilated stand to gain 1/4 to 1/2 inch of airflow, and avoid stacking devices on top. If overheating persists, listen for abnormal fan noise and note any error codes. Reboot, test with different games, and contact support or a qualified repair service if hardware faults remain.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.